Pike County judge faces a six-month unpaid suspension. Judge Stephen D. Combs admitted to violating ethics standards. As WYMT's Alex Casper-Peak explains, the deal cut between attorneys allows him to keep his position. She joins us live from Pikeville.
Angela,
Alex?
many thought today's hearing would last all week, but that was not the case as both sides reached an agreement that will allow Judge Stephen D. Combs to stay on the bench.
Judge Combs would be suspended.
Pike County Circuit Judge Stephen Combs admitted to several counts of misconduct as part of an agreement allowing him to remain on the bench.
Judge Combs, you committed those acts and that they constitute a violation of the canons of the Kentucky Code of Judicial Conduct. Yes, sir.
Judge Combs will be suspended for 6 months without pay.
And we agreed to these terms as a compromise to keep a good man and a good judge sitting on the bench in Pike County.
Judge Combs also agreed to an evaluation to decide if he has an alcohol problem. A state panel set up to help judges and lawyers with substance abuse will evaluate the results. He must follow any treatment recommendations they have.
We had a number of witnesses that were prepared to testify that they received numerous calls from Judge Combs when he was intoxicated.
Judge Combs' attorneys say they agreed to the program for one reason.
Judge Combs has no alcohol substance abuse problem whatsoever.
The judge also admitted to calling a Pikeville attorney a coward, among other things, and calling Pikeville police inadequate. He also acknowledged unethically presiding over cases involving Equitable Production, an oil and gas exploration company that he had a business relationship with. Combs says he does not recall saying the next police officer to pull him over would get a bullet to the head. As part of the agreement, Judge Combs is not allowed to retaliate against any witnesses. For now, live in Pikeville, I'm Alex Casper-Peak. Angela?
Thank you, Alex.